Hey guys, I just came back from a ride on this, and wearing receiver's gloves is a bad idea with this because it has a lot of, and I mean it has a lot of power. I gotta adjust the throttle a little bit, but believe it or not, this actually has more power than the Hayabusa. Probably not a higher top speed, but it's definitely more torqueier. I adjusted the foot shifter a little bit. Let me give you guys a detailed view of this guy here. Yeah, check out my valve caps. That looks like a 9mm. I just seen that. See, look at this hardware they used to mount that, guys. Got spikes on the bottom here. Tires are good. Everything's aluminum on this. This is aluminum here. I'll tell you, if I ball cut this, so you can put ball cuts all along these edges. Everything is aluminum. Maybe we can buff those out. See, my recidifier, they said that came off, so I have to get a bracket for that or find out where that goes. Got the down sweat pipes. Big bitch rear tire. See, I changed my my plate around. I guess you guys want to hear what it sounds like. Alright, let me put this down. Okay guys, let me sit you guys down here. Turn the gas on. Turn the key on, we're in neutral. Yeah, it's a 117 cubic inch engine. I'm going to see if we can fix this a little bit here. That's a little loose there. We're going to see if we can deal with that a little bit. I have to have that tight. Maybe we'll take this apart. See if we can tighten her up a little bit. Has 1,120 miles on it, guys. It's brand new, basically. Military guy had this before me. Yeah, it has a lot of torque, that's for sure. And my heart is still somewhere out there on the road, and I just took this around the neighborhood. And I'm going to tell you, honest to God truth, it's got a lot of torque. A lot of freaking torque. I got to be very careful with this. First gear, first gear is very torquey. And I mean, this is not for sitting in. You can't sit in traffic in this. You cannot sit in traffic in this. Now, this is the first time I rode a chopper. I actually did pretty good, I think. Something like this, you have to stay calm on it. And personally, I think gloves is a bad idea. I think gloves are a real bad idea to have with this. because you can get a better feel for the grip without gloves. You know, and I literally have about 10 pairs of gloves over there, which I don't know if it's a good idea to use them. Maybe once I get the feel for this. So, okay guys, we're going to probably polish this up tonight. Now, if you guys want to join me, I'll make a video polishing it up. You can just join me and watch me polish it up. Catch you later.